when we're rounding. Look at the nearest 10. The 6 tells us that the 7 rounds up. So we're left with 1, 4, 8, 0. We can see it with this common denominator. You might be able to see it already. 10 over 10, which is 1, subtract 3 over 10. 10 subtract 3. The mode means most. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mode is 3. There's not any more in there. Write down a 3-digit number that's a multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 has a 5 or a 0 in the ones place. It doesn't matter what goes here. Any number that has any digits here, as long as it has a 5 or a 0 at the end. 0.4 as a percentage. And we multiply by 100. What we do is we move this digit 2 place values to the left. Becomes a 4. To make this number make sense, it's in tens column, so this becomes 40.